One of the most common questions asked by newbies to passive income is, what are some passive income ideas? Searching for answers can be confusing, especially if you have never done this sort of thing before. There are a lot of different ways you could go about earning money without having to work for it, but some methods require more work than others. That's why we've taken it upon ourselves to compile a list of passive income ideas that anyone could use to get started or improve their current situation. But before getting into today's topic, do hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Let's start, shall we? 1. Invest in stock market. If you're looking for passive income, investing in the stock market is a great way to get started. The stock market is where companies buy and sell shares of their own stock, which means they have ownership stakes in the company. While some investors only want to buy stocks that pay dividends, like Apple, others prefer to buy them at low prices or sell them at higher ones. You can buy and sell stock online at any time, or by phone if you prefer. If you're buying a stock, it's as simple as choosing the company and amount of shares you want to purchase. The next step is funding your account with money from your bank account or credit card, either will work. Once it's funded, you can buy your shares and the money will be taken out of your account immediately. If you're selling stock, it's just as easy, just enter the amount of shares that you want to sell and choose a price. Then wait for someone else to buy them up. 2. Create and sell products on Amazon. Amazon is an excellent place to make passive income. It has a lot of traffic, which means that you can sell your products easily. There are also many products to choose from, and the customer base for these products is large enough that it's unlikely that your product won't sell until someone finds it on Amazon. Amazon also offers lots of opportunities for sellers, competitions, reviews from customers who have bought from you before and wrote good ones, and more. 3. Starting a website. If you want to make money online, it's important to start with a website. There are many free tools available that will help you build your own site and get the word out about your business or product. You'll need some good content on your page. It should be something related to what you're selling, and then spend time promoting the site through social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Once people find out about your page, they'll have no problem clicking through and buying whatever it is that interests them most. 4. Starting a YouTube channel. If you are interested in making money from your YouTube channel, there are a number of ways to do so. Ad revenue. You can earn money from ads on your videos and make enough to cover the cost of creating them. Sponsorships. Some companies will sponsor your videos for free or pay you for them, or both. If a company wants to be featured in one of your videos but does not want its logo visible, this is an option for them. Merchandise sales. If people like what they see on your channel and want more than just a glimpse into what's inside it, you can sell merch through websites like Amazon or Etsy, where people buy handmade items directly from artists instead of going through third-party retailers like Target or Walmart, who then mark up their prices too much, which means less profit. This method works best when paired with another passive income stream such as coaching courses, so that it doesn't rely solely on merchandise sales alone. Otherwise, how would anyone know whether those products were any good? 5. Selling a digital product. If you have a product that you feel is unique and valuable, the best way to sell it is through your own website. You can build an e-commerce store around the digital products that you create and sell them directly to customers. If this isn't an option for whatever reason, maybe because it's difficult or expensive, try finding a platform where people can buy your digital products from their smartphones or computers. 6. Selling a course. You can create a course and sell it. You'll have to put in the hard work, but once it's finished, you'll be on your way to passive income. One of the best things about creating your own course is that there are no limits on what you can teach or how much money people will pay for it, as long as they're willing. Your goal should be to make sure that the information contained within the content of your course is valuable enough so people will want to buy it. Otherwise, they'll just ignore what they're reading and move on with life without taking action. In addition, when someone purchases something from an individual rather than through an established website like Amazon or iTunes Store where all products must meet some minimum threshold before being considered eligible for purchase by consumers interested in buying them online, then we call this type private label marketing strategy because our brand name does not appear anywhere on packaging, only ours internally. 7. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products and services. For example, you could be an affiliate marketer for a product that teaches you how to build an online business. If someone purchases your course or book, they pay you a commission on their purchase. How to build an affiliate marketing website. You can create your own website with WordPress or another CMS and use Shopify or Wix as platforms for hosting it. They're both easy-to-use platforms that don't require much technical know-how but still allow you the flexibility of using their own themes or customizing them yourself if needed. Once everything is set up properly within these two programs, then all that's left would be creating some great content which will hopefully bring in more customers than ever before. 8. Renting your properties. You can rent out your properties to long-term tenants. There are several ways to do this, and they depend on the type of property you're looking to rent out. For example, if you have an apartment in your house that you want to use as an investment property or as a place for guests to stay while visiting your city, it's best if the apartment is part of a larger building that has other apartments available for rent as well. This way, more people will be able to find something suitable for them when they visit town, and thus increase their chances of finding someone with whom they'll be comfortable. Another option would be renting out only one room within each unit. These could either be furnished or unfurnished depending on what kind of income potential each person brings in through their job/businesses, etc. But either way, there should still exist enough demand within this particular market segment so that prices don't rise too high over time due simply because there aren't enough places available. Buy and hold real estate investment trusts, REITs, that pay dividends. You can buy and hold real estate investment trusts, REITs, that pay dividends. These are a type of investment that owns and manages a portfolio of real estate, like apartment buildings or shopping malls. REITs have been popular since the 1980s because they offer investors income without having to do much work on their own in terms of research or management. There's one downside: because the property isn't yours, you'll need to pay taxes on any capital gains when you sell it, and those taxes add up over time. But if your plan is just to hold on to REITs indefinitely while they pay out dividends every year or two, then this probably won't be an issue. 9. Selling photos you took. You can sell your photos to stock photo websites. You need to be signed up with the right agencies, though you don't want one that charges fees. You also need to know how much money you're making from each sale and how long it takes before your payment comes through, or if it ever does. There's no guarantee that any site will pay out what they promise either. Some sites have been known not only not pay their artists but even take legal action against them. So make sure you understand what kind of license agreement applies and how long it takes before anything happens at all. 10. Building an app. There are many ways to make money from apps, but one of the best is by building an app yourself. An app is basically software that you can use on your phone or tablet. Apps can be used for anything from giving directions to finding out where the closest Wi-Fi hotspot is located. Apps can also help sell products or services, allowing people to buy things without having to go through the hassle of going into a store or website. To build an app, first decide what kind of product/service you want your app to offer and how much money it will cost. The more expensive it is, generally speaking. Then think about who might be interested in buying this type of product/service. Are they looking for something specific? How many people will actually use this type of product/service once they have bought it? Passive income ideas are great ways to earn more money. Passive income is when your profits come from investments, rather than manual labor or company wages. You can use this money to make more investments in order to grow your wealth over time. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it both interesting and helpful. As always, if you haven't, please press a like and subscribe buttons. Have a great day and see you in the next one.